What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to reset, how to erase an entire website content but without deleting the plugins, the themes, the tools. Okay, so all I want to do right here it's erase the site. Okay, I don't like this content, maybe there may have some problem on it. So how to go make WordPress comes back to the full without content, how to erase, how to delete all media files, all posts, all products, all pages, all images, how to do this. This is what you're going to learn in this video, and of course without deleting your themes, your plugins. Okay, how? Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, app optimizations and many more topics in order to use international sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, you can log in on yourdomain.com/wp admin or wp login, just like this, into my top bar. Okay, and right here into the left sidebar of menus, I'm gonna hover my mouse over plugins and click into the submenu add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of my screen, next to keyword, I'm gonna be able to see a field called search plugins. Click on it and type WP Reset. Okay, WP Reset, most advanced WordPress reset tool. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. It's gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your WordPress website. Okay, from this list you're gonna be able to see WP Reset, and you can click on open WP Reset tools. Okay, or in the case that you prefer, if you are into the WordPress dashboard, okay, review the left sidebar of menus. Next to users, you're going to be able to see a menu called tools, and if you hover a mouse over it, you're going to be able to see the submenu WP Reset. Here are the plugin config options. The first banner is trying to sell you the pro version of the plugin. I want to keep it all for free, so I'm going to scroll down and ignore this part and keep scrolling down. Okay, and right here we have the option. Okay, site reset. Here is the guide we are looking for. Reactivate current theme. Anzu, yes, I want to reactivate my current theme. I do not want to delete my current theme. Reactivate WP Reset plugin. Yes, we can reactivate this plugin. Reactivate all currently active plugins. Yes, this is very important. Okay, you need to mark these three options in the case that you do not want to lose your tools. Okay, your themes, your plugins. Okay, now you need to type reset to confirmation field to confirm the reset, and then click on reset WordPress button. Always create a snapshot before resetting if you want to be able to undo. I do not want to be able to undo, so I just want to reset it. And now I'm gonna go to reset site. Of course, in the case that you have important content on your site, create a snapshot. Okay, it's important, create a backup. In my case, I do not have. Okay, so I can click on site reset. Are you sure that you want to reset the site? Clicking reset WordPress will reset your site to the full values. All content will be lost. Always create a snapshot. Okay, click on cancel to abort. I'm gonna click into this red button, reset WordPress. Resetting in progress. Please wait. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it takes, and it's actually very fast. And as you can see, I have my current theme active, the Enzo theme, and I no longer have content, but I still have all the tools that I used to have, all the plugins. Okay, you might need to log out of your WordPress website and then logging in. Okay, let's close the Elementor plugin start option, and here we have all of the currently active plugins are still there, but we have no contents. Okay, just the WordPress default content, the WordPress single page and WordPress default page. Of course, we have installed WooCommerce. WooCommerce install automatically some pages on your site as soon as you activate it. Okay, so no need to worry. If you don't have WooCommerce, you will not have these pages as well. And of course, in Media Library, no content at all. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visualmodo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can install to customize your site and the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, with our sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, or game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your sites, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you later. All the best!